Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Haute Modesty. Today, I have 2 of my scent boxes to open. So if you're interested in seeing what fragrances I received, please stay tuned. Welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. I hope you guys are doing well. So today what I have are 2 extra scent boxes, and these are monthly fragrance subscriptions that I actually send for. And how this works is that you actually fill out a profile of the things you like and the notes and the scents and all that, and then it makes recommendations for you of the different perfumes or eau de toilette or eau de perfumes, and based on what your likes are, and then you can pick it from there, or you could just pick the ones that you know that you want. And I get the 2 fragrance package, which comes out to, I believe it comes out to about $28.95, and but if you get 1, it's $14.95, and it's slightly cheaper if you get 2. And so yeah, that's what I actually do. But these 2 actually came because of referrals, actually. And thank you guys, because a couple of you guys did use my link below and gotten their scent boxes, and I got 1 free fragrance from each of them, and there was 2 of them. And thank you guys so much. This is so great because it gives me content. It really helps me when things like this happen, because otherwise, I'm spending actually my own money to, create content. And so this actually helps me out, gives me 1 video and 2 free products. So thank you so, so very much. And I really appreciate that. And if anybody else is interested, I will leave the link below, and you do get your first scent for free. Okay. And there's no obligations. So before I get started opening that, as you guys know my cadence, I do like to use the 60 empowering cards, which is affirmations. And I like to pick one and have an affirmation of the day to get you guys thinking. And this is part of self-care every day, okay? Because as I was saying in my other videos, in case you are new, I used to have a every Saturday self-care Saturday. I kind of sort of still do, but I thought, why wait till Saturday? We need to do self-care every single day. So I came up with the idea of these little cards, and I decided to go ahead and do them every video, if I remember. And so far, so good. So anyway, let's pick one. And I did pick one. It's a pretty one, and I really love that. And then what it is in the front is the affirmation that you should be saying to yourself throughout the day. In the back are questions that you can use for journal prompts or just to ask yourself. So what does this say today? It says, I am absolutely worthy of every good thing that has happened to me. True, I'm absolutely worthy of every good thing that has happened to me. Okay, that's good. There it is. And then the prompt in the back says, what have I succeeded at lately? And how can I reward myself for hard work? 2 different questions. What have I succeeded at lately? And number 2 is, how can I reward myself for hard work? So these are really, good, food for thought, because, what have I succeeded at lately? And it could be the littlest things, It doesn't have to be something major. I mean, something that you were able to get up 10 minutes early. That's success if you're able to do that, every single morning. And then another thing, and how can I reward myself for hard work? I mean, you should always treat yourself of small successes. Always. Even if it's just, taking a walk. Some of you might go, that's not a treat. I want chocolate. Okay, do chocolate. You do you, whatever it works, right? But always try to reward yourself for successes that you have. And don't wait till you have a major success, because, I don't know when was the last time I had a major success, right? And so, but I have little successes every day, okay? And so I try to hone in on those little things and say, you know what? You did a good job today, okay? You smiled more than you normally do. You did a good job today. So something like that, something to make you feel good about yourself. That's the whole thing, okay? Mindfulness is being mindful, being mindful of the little things that happen around you so you can use them in a positive means to give you a positive lift. Okay, so that's that. So that is my day, one thing for the day. And then the other thing I do is I do a shout out, right, to one of you out there. And so I've been regularly doing that, and I haven't been forgetting, so which is good. So that's one thing I did good today. I remembered to do these things. Yeah, yay me. So anyway, so I do pick out one of the people, one of you beautiful wildflowers that might have said something that caught my attention, or I might have given a good recommendation that I want everybody else to benefit from, and not just the people reading it. And so I will go ahead and pick that out, and I will post it and on one of these videos. So I try to do it every time. And today I have one that is actually very relevant, because this is off of one of the my monthly Scentbox unboxings, and Nancy Horn actually mentioned something about it. Okay, so she said, I got the 2 scents from Scentbox. I let my son's girlfriend pick out one of the scents, and every 3rd month we let my 2 sons pick out one. How nice. She made this a family affair. She's involved the children in it. And also, you know, his son's girlfriend. What a great way to have a good relationship, you know, with your extended family. So yeah, thank you so much, Nancy. And that is very good. And that's really nice that you share, you know, these type of actions with your loved ones. So, and you know, if you guys, I mean, I never really think about these things. I just get what I get. But, you know, I may ask my husband, you know, being that he's here, hey, you know, pick this out. And then, but you know, well, you know how that'll go, right? So anyway, so my beautiful wildflowers, that's that. And let's get opening my first scent box. And what did I order? So I believe on these 2, I ordered something that I was familiar with because I really wanted it. And I normally wouldn't have gotten it had been one of my regular ones, because I try to discover things that, you know, I don't know. And so, but this time, because I got these 2, you know, rewards, I did decide to order something I do know, but I really do enjoy. And so here it is. It comes like this. And let me tell you a little bit about this company. Scentbox is really good. I had Scentbird as well, but I canceled that one because it does end up being a little bit pricier because you don't get some of the things. So with Scentbox, I mean, look at the beautiful container you get. This container here actually comes with your scent, whereas in Scentbird it does not, and it's actually extra. Let me see, $14.95 or $15, I think, more than that. And then, but it's $10 if you get it with your subscription. But if it's separate, you're paying $15 separate. So I'm like, God, no, I got this. Just one of these is $14.95 with this thing. And look how pretty this is. Right? And also another thing that's unique to Scentbox, and I haven't found any other fragrance company to do this, is you get to return one fragrance that you don't like. Even if I picked these and it was a gift type of thing, the reward, if I don't like it, I can send it back. And they'll ask me, what do you want? Or you do it at the same time. And then they'll send you the other replacement as you send this one back. Really easy. You just drop it back into this envelope. You just use the return stuff, shove it in there, tape it, boom, you're gone, done. So yeah. So anyway, this one here, let's see, what did I order? I know it's something I know. Okay, and this is, do I know this one? Oh, Black Opium. It's called Floral Shock. I have Black Opium in the large bottle, but I don't know about the Floral Shock. So let's look it up. Okay, here we go. I did find it. This is the Black Opium Floral Shock. And let me read a little bit about it. So before we go and smell it. So it does have, let me see, 4 and 3/4 ratings, 4 and 3/4 star rating, almost 5, and out of 528 ratings. And it says it is oriental, sporty, daytime, and it's good for fall. And so it says Yves Saint Laurent announces the new edition of the popular Black Opium collection launched in early 2017 called Black Opium Floral Shock. The new edition Black Opium Floral Shock is announced as a fresher version with more floral and green aromas, and the first one to possess the iced coffee accord. Interesting, really? Accord. The new composition belongs to the family of fruity florals and shocks with a zesty lemon opening, white floral character in the heart with dominant gardenia, and iced coffee and white musk at the base of the perfume. Wow. The freshness of lemon, bergamot, and pear in the top notes mixed with freesia is the first floral accord of the composition. The heart includes white flowers of golden gardenia, orange blossom, and solar floral accord. The base ends with iced coffee, white musk, mineral accord, and woody amber. Oh my goodness. Perfumers Natalie Attire, Marie Salamangue, Olivier Crisp, and Honorine Blanc collaborated on the creation. Wow, okay. Man, I don't know about this. I mean, this sounds really good. Now, you know what? Now, like, my expectation is like, woo, way up here. And I'm hoping that I don't become disappointed. Here we go. You know what? I'm going to spray it on myself because that sounds like way too good to waste, right? Okay, I should have waited. Whew! That was strong. It's like, yeah, floral shock, all right. Shock me. I just gotta let it settle because yeah. Oh, that's nice. You know what? It smells very, it smells sweet, but not to a point where, because I don't like really sweet, sickening sweet perfume. But it does have a very sweet note to it, an opening to it. Yeah, this is very nice. Definitely different from my Black Opium. Definitely different. Yeah, but very nice. I'm gonna have to let it settle to see how long it lasts and all that. But this is actually very pleasant. It has I don't get the gardenia though, because I expected gardenia to really overtake a lot of, this is a very nice mixture because I don't smell the gardenia, which is nice. Because I don't like things just like overtake, just one scent, like rose, gardenia. I don't like that. I like my perfumes complex. Sounds like I'm talking about wine, right? But this is very nice. Yeah, I like it. I definitely do like it. Yeah. Okay, so let's go to the next one. Okay, so the next one, let's see. What did I get? Because I'm going to have to look it up because I don't know what I got. I guess for the gift ones, they don't go on my profile because I didn't see it. But, yeah, let's see. Oh, yeah, this is starting to smell really good now. It's starting to settle down. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. What did I get? Okay. Again, another one like this. Let's see what color the little containers are. Oh, it's the same pink. Okay. Maybe that's what it is for. I mean, this is like a special pink. I haven't seen this one. Maybe this is like if you get a reward, you get this one. So, oh, it's unique. I like it. Okay. So what? Oh, yeah. I got the Daisy. What is that? Who is that? It's called Daisy Love. And it is by Marc Jacobs. Marc Jacobs Daisy Love. Okay, this I'm going to use a tissue for, I think. No, I'm going to use this card. This is not a, related card, something else. So, let's see. Different, okay. Definitely different from what I sprayed here. Very simple. But fresh. It's fresh. And it's got a very young smell to it. Kind of sporty. Yeah. Yeah, this is actually would be really good like in a springtime, in a morning, right before you go to the farmer's market. Yeah, okay. It has like a gingerbread smell. Is that right? Yeah, I'm smelling like gingerbread. Okay, let me look it up really quick. Okay, here we go. Found it. Here it is, Marc Jacobs. And the Daisy Love would look like this in a full size. And these are premium scents, fragrances, actually. That's what I signed up for. According to this, the scent characteristics, it's gourmand, youthful, party, and it says fall. I didn't get that out of there. Okay, it has 4.5 ratings and 5 stars at 155 ratings. And so it says, Marc Jacobs presented in 2018 a new fragrance intended for the new generation of youth that follows the franchise started with Daisy from 2007. The new Daisy Love, announced as a captivating and addictive scent for the millennials, comes out in April of 2018. So it came out in 2018. Formulated by perfumer Alberto Morales. I just lost it here. Hold on one second. Oh, okay. Who signed the original as well? Okay. Daisy Love is a fresh floral fragrance with a fruity opening and a woody musk base. And the upper notes are the berry fruit accord called cloudberry rhubarbs. And Charmome, Chameamoru, Chamoru. Yeah, I don't know. The floral core of the perfume features the daisy 3-note Scalacia pundilacea, based on a driftwood accord and cashmere musk. Okay, those are like genus species of these flowers or something. Yeah, interesting. Okay, and it said that if you, this is funny, because it says if you like this scent, you would like Dolce & Gabbana, the only one. Oh no, I didn't smell only one. It's the one is the one I sent back. Yeah, this is the only one intense. But this one isn't bad actually, but it does smell young though. I will be honest. I mean, as soon as I smelled it, I'm like, yeah, this smells like, something like my daughter would wear and enjoy. But it is fresh. It is very fresh and sporty. That's why I say this. But it's not bad. It really isn't. And it's appropriate for anybody, any age. But it does have that youthful scent to it. Yeah. And doesn't, I don't want to say this wrong, but it's not that it lacks elegance. It's not that. It's just it doesn't have that mature scent to it. It's more fresh, playful. Yeah, millennial. Yeah. So, but still very nice perfume. I will use it. So yeah, that's that. So yeah, that's what I got, these two, and I'm happy with them. So my beautiful wildflowers, let me know what you think. Do you get fragrance subscriptions? And if not, and you're interested, I will put the link below for you. Okay, and you do get your first one free. And I will get a free one too. So, anyhow, so my beautiful wildflowers, if I added any value, please hit like. And if you're not subscribed yet, please do subscribe. We want you here. Be part of the Wildflower family. And so, my beautiful wildflowers, have a good day, have a good night, have a good week, have a good weekend, whenever you're watching this. But just remember, never sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.